Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore website uptime after Cloudflare DNS misconfiguration. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To restore website uptime after a Cloudflare DNS misconfiguration, start by logging into your Cloudflare account. Navigate to the dashboard and select the domain experiencing issues. Click on the DNS tab to access the DNS settings for your domain. Review the DNS records for any misconfigured settings. Look for records, name records, and any other relevant entries that could affect your website. Ensure that the IP addresses listed in the records are correct and match your web server's IP. If you identify any incorrect entries, click on the record to edit it. Make necessary adjustments by entering the correct IP address or settings. After updating records, click Save to apply the changes. Wait for a few minutes for DNS changes to propagate across the internet. To check if the changes have taken effect, visit your website in a private browsing window or clear your browser cache. If your site is still down, double-check the name servers assigned to your domain. Verify that your domain is pointing to Cloudflare's name servers. If you find discrepancies, update your domain registrar settings to match Cloudflare's name servers. Once everything is confirmed and corrected, check your website status again. For further troubleshooting, consider checking your web server for downtime or contact your hosting provider. After ensuring all configurations are correct, your website should be back online. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.